Real Deal is smiling, y'all. I am so excited about another Rapid Ready Reserve Edition, and this one is going up. That's right, we're going Kelderman on 24s and 37s. Let's get it. August is here, 2022. Can you believe it? We are legacy building every single day here at Willies at Akins. We're dropping diamonds every day. Nobody else is doing that, y'all. We had rapid success with the Rapid Red F-450 Reserve Edition. That first one ever that really started it all for us. We have another Rapid Red today. What a truck that was, and we just keep building off of it. I don't have proper attire on to do this video today, so I'm thinking for this Rapid Red Diamond, we should go Tommy. This is not Jim Tomey's truck. We've already done one for Jim, but this is a F-450 on a Kelderman, elegant, strong, and powerful, just like my guy Jim Tomey, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, in case you forgot, the Willies Showdown Battle of the Bills car show, August 20th. Gotta be there. You know, we love the Rapid Red, but we also like outdoing ourselves. So this time, we're going up. This is for a great customer named Walter from here in Georgia. A great guy, y'all. Pleasure to deal with in the process. Jessica hooked him up with this truck, ordered unit, got it in here, and he just said, let's make it Reserve Edition legit. What you know about that? What you know about that? We know all about that. And just approaching this behemoth, you know this is something special. A 2022 Akins Ford F-450 Rapid Red Limited, so we're next level right there. Platinum is the name of the game for the most part. Limited is much more harder to acquire. Limited, so you know the inside is going to be legit. And let's start up front at such an amazing combo of deleting some of the chrome, but doing some gloss black as well as Rapid Red throughout. This whole entire perimeter here was chrome. Did it Rapid Red to dumb down some of that chrome. Emblem up front did Rapid Red, kept the chrome there, did gloss black here on this perimeter, as well as on this front bump pad. That's usually a non-premium looking textured black. Did gloss black there, gloss black even behind the tow hooks there on that textured portion. The details, you hear me, y'all. This is a legacy truck. Oh my gosh, it's gonna keep adding on to our overall reputation of building diamonds. Inside the fog light there, removed texture, did gloss black as well. Trimmer valence up front, did it Rapid Red to make it even more legit. A nice, subtle, and sleek rigid light bar mounted perfectly on the front using no bracketry, just mounted right there on top of that bump pad for the cleanest, sleekest overall appearance. A 7-year ceramic coat and paint protection film on this one is why it is shining, y'all, on a beautiful Saturday here at Akins. Coming around to the side, I was talking about going up, and you know those drone shots are next level legit too, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And if you could, only help I need is give me a like on this video and hit that subscribe button. That's all I want, y'all. I want as many people as possible to have fun and enjoy looking at beautiful trucks and taking ideas for ways to make their next vehicle, hopefully with us here at Akins and Willies, even more special. We are Kelderman Air Ride lifted on the 5.6 kit, and we're all the way down. So it goes up to the 5.6 mark, all the way up to 10 inches. Air Ride system that we've known to know is just one of the best kits out there. We are on 24s. Strong, American Force Carnage forged wheel with some specialties. We did a Rapid Red on that border there, the American Force and your dimples, Rapid Red. Also did this top bracket there, Rapid Red. And on the Kelderman rear radius arm badge, Rapid Red. All the details, y'all keep hearing me say it, but they matter. The mirrors, that's usually non-premium texture component. Did gloss black on the bottom, kept the mirror cap on the top Rapid Red, that's how it comes on the Limited. Side badge, kept the brushed aluminum to flow with the wheel and some of the other accents, kept that for the same reason. Removed the texture behind this portion, gloss black, Rapid Red, diamond. What you know, y'all, what you know about it. The stamp on the Toyo Open Country RT hybrid tire in 37, 13.5, 24. And the carnage that these carnage wheels are going to accumulate, just breaking the necks, y'all. I cannot wait. Looks legit. And the RT tire, we don't run enough, but it's that hybrid tire that looks like a mud terrain to me, but it acts more like kind of in between that. It does derives more characteristics of the open country mud terrain, but also takes some from the open country, AT2 and 3, etc. So a great tire. It looks aggressive, but rides very good, gives you good longevity overall. And you already saw this unique custom rear applique, rigid SRQs in the back, body color rapid red. Normally we do the whole applique. This one we just did the center portion that's raised up, rapid red around it, left those from factory, gloss black there, remove texture up top, get the non-premium gone, body color there, clean it up, very much like the original. Stunner, over with, game over, shoo. Let me know what you think about this color overall. Wrap the bottom running board portion and this upper portion that was chrome, gloss black. Inside, I told you the Limited is hitting on another level with that seafoam greenish blue interior. Got the Alcantara suede and gray in your headliner, just premium materials. The Limited feels more premium while driving. Steering wheel, that bluish green color. It is just what it should be. A lot of times you see a vehicle that's not really value seen in the package upgrade via from Lariat to Platinum, etc., especially back in the day from Ford, but they nailed it with this Limited. It is so, I mean, you just get in the cabin and it just feels luxurious. There's your airlift, air systems there, right at your disposal to get this thing ready to ride. A good side shot that I love, nice and leveled on some somethings, 37s and 24s, Forces, rapid red. That special color already is now elevated to our Reserve Edition via the 4-link in the rear. Leaf pack is gone. Raptor shocks out back, big old airbags. You got your dual compressor out back with Horn Blaster train horn, Mag High-Tech front and rear diff cover. A good look at the Raptor shock sitting there, just percolating and ready to roll. The train horn is so loud. We got the Super Duty sitting on 24s. You dig? Love this truck, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. That's all I need, again, to make sure that the channel continues to prosper and that we continue to bring you consistently better than anybody else in the country, positivity and phenomenal trucks. That's what this channel is about. Everything auto with a positive vibe, y'all. Your boy Real Deal and Mr. Tommy, we are out. Congrats, Walter.